Hello everyone, Jaime Mantilla here. In this video, I am back with one of my favorite tools, which is CopyCoder. And I just wanted to show you how to build a quick landing page. Most of you know or don't know how to build a landing page. You have an idea. Maybe you want to build a landing page, but you have no idea how to code, right? And that's not the point. Like right now with AI, you can actually build whatever you want. And I'm going to show it to you right here. There's going to be a quick demo. But what I want you to think about is, in order for you to learn, you can build and then you learn. So let me just walk you through it real quick. And I'm going to walk you through the CopyCoder 2.0, which has different features than the previous videos that I've done before. So just let me walk into the dashboard. Right now, you can actually build two types of apps. You can actually build a landing page and you can actually build a web app with multiple pages. I'm going to create other videos for multiple pages, but this video, I'm going to use a landing page, and I'm going to use a landing page with templates that they already have within the actual CopyCoder application or dashboard. So first, this is the new project where you can actually build a landing page and a web app. These I'm going to keep for other videos because you can actually take the screenshots for other apps, paste them here or upload them into CopyCoder, and then CopyCoder will give you the actual prompt to generate these landing page or web apps. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick one of these templates that they have. I'm going to pick the SaaS landing page. Just going to copy this prompt here, and I'm going to open up Cursor. For those of you that don't know what Cursor is, it is a workbench or an application where developers use to create their code. But Cursor AI, it is actually an application that uses AI to create the code, so you don't have to write anything. So I'm just going to do cursor.com here. This is the website. You can actually download it. They have a free version with limit prompts. You can actually get into their package, into their premium for, I think it's $20 a month. And that'll give you a bunch of prompts that you can actually use throughout each month. I don't think I've reached the limit with the applications that I've built. So I think it has a decent amount of limits that you can just create multiple apps. Okay. So going back to CopyCoder, I'm going to copy the prompt. I have opened my CopyCoder terminal here, and just let me minimize this a little bit. That way you can see it. All right. And all I'm going to do is paste this. I'm just going to copy. I'm going to change that to SaaS landing page. I'm going to click enter, and then you're just going to see it run. I'm going to say yes. And then you're just gonna let it rip. It's gonna do its thing. It's going to do everything that needs to be done in order for you to be able to get this landing page up and running. Okay. So I'm just gonna let it go. And then it's gonna, again, I can pause this video, but I'm not going to, just because of the fact that I want you to see the whole process. You know what I mean? If I just give you the edits and I give you the perfection of the whole video, it's not going to help you, right? Because sometimes there is issues that have to be solved, or sometimes you just have to wait for a few minutes in order for things to be generated. So the purpose of this is for me to, again, show my journey, show what I'm doing, and at the same time for you to kind of take from this video and learn. So again, so everything says project created successfully. It says startup development server here. So you have to CD to the SaaS landing page. So you're going to do CD to SaaS landing page. I'm going to click enter. Then it's telling me, hey, run npm, run dev, which is what I'm doing right now. And then it's going to tell me when the application is up and running. And it's going to ask me to select this localhost 3000. So in this case, I want to click on it. Is control click on the link, and you'll see that coming up right here. And it should take a few minutes. And that should do it, right? This is as fast as you can build a landing page. In this case here, all you have to do is change the image. If you want to change the image, depending on the landing page that you want to build, depending on the SaaS application that you want to build, you can just change this information here. You can actually go into the code. I'm going to just do that very quickly. I'm going to copy this text and I'm going to open up the folder in my repo. So it's this SaaS landing page. And you'll see that all the code was written here. All I have to do, if you have no idea where this text is or whatever, all you have to do is shift control find, paste your personal AI assistant. This is all in JavaScript. So I'm just looking for the actual pages, which in this case would be the hero, would be the FAQ, and would be the layout. In this case, I'm just going to change it on the layout. I can change it everywhere if I want, but this is actually the title. I'm just going to do it the hero. The hero would be this section here. Whoops. This section here. The title would be here at the top. Let's change everything. So I'm just going to say your personal assistant. I'm just going to change that to agent just so that we know. So I'm just going to say your personal AI agent. That way you can see the change. So agent. Okay. So I'm going to copy that. That's here in the title. I'm going to change that here in the FAQs. I'm going to change these in the hero. And I'm going to click save. And I'm going to refresh this page. And just give it a second. It should load. If it doesn't load, then we have to figure it out what happened. Which again, this is something that you need to see and you need to know in order for you to be able to figure things out, okay? So I'm just going to close these. Oops, I'm gonna save this one, save this one. I'm gonna have to restart it again just because I open up a new terminal. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do npm run dev, which is what we did last time. And then this should be running. Okay, so now here at the top, as you can see, it says your personal AI agent, which is what we changed. The title here is your personal AI agent. And then on the FAQs, there was what is Ali, AI Ali, and then is your personal AI agent. So again, for these, you just have to be resourceful. You don't know how to code. You don't know where to start. This is a way to start. You go to CopyCoder, you start an application, and then you start searching for the items that you want to change. You can actually use the chat and say, okay, please explain to me what you have done. Please send to me this code block. You know, everything that you need is actually in your hand. It's like, it's handy, right? You can actually ask whatever you want and it'll give you the information. So I don't want you to just be blocked because your mentality is limiting you to what you can accomplish. Right now with AI and what they call this vibe coding term that is new now, that you can actually build applications just by typing natural language, by typing in your keyboard. That's actually true. And I just demonstrated that to you. So again, I don't want you to get stuck. I don't want you to limit yourself. I want you to be a creator. I want you to start putting ideas out in the world. And this is one of the ways to do it. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Thank you.